gonna get higher.
I got my Glock, I guess he heard it. Blue said, what's up, nigga? He started punches cause he telling me to kill. I was so dumb, but I might first myself, that's just the way it is. Creeping through the kitchen, and I was been bitching about some nigga. I got my Glock, I guess he heard it. Blue said, what's up, nigga? He started preaching, I said, don't win that thing. He started having a seizure. Oh, I'm gonna kill some preacher. Now he might be a widow, but she didn't need that old hoe. Cause she really can't like that TS, and it's just for the first on my boat. I grabbed that bitch, punches cause he telling me to kill. I was so dumb, but I might first myself, that's just the way it is. Creeping through the kitchen, and I was been bitching about some nigga. I got my Glock, I guess he heard it. Blue said, what's up, nigga?
I'm Frederick Lawrence, and I rented the house on Haunted Hill tonight so that my wife can give a party. A haunted house party. She's so amusing. There'll be food and drink and ghosts, and perhaps even a few murders. You're all invited. If any of you will spend the next 12 hours in this house, I'll give you each $10,000.
Cannot mess with me, I love to see your burger roll. Looked up in my feet of the loan, inside in my 44. You might think I'm crazy, but you cannot face me. Pimp type nigga from the underground, G. Skinny cluckers cannot mess with me, I love to see your burger roll. Looked up in my feet of the loan, inside in my 44. You might think I'm crazy, but you cannot face me. Pimp type nigga from the underground, G. Skinny cluckers cannot mess with me, I love to see your burger roll. Looked up in my feet of the loan, inside in my 44. You might think I'm crazy, but you cannot face me. Pimp type nigga from the underground, G.
This is Lance Schroeder, I testify. I'm a brave man. Don't you think you can be much braver if you please? And I happen to know that I can speak than him.
Well, the orange ring, but label roll.